Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to remove rust naturally. Now, with a lot of concerns about the environment today, you may not want to go out and buy some of the chemical rust removers. So actually just using some household items around that you might have around, you can make your own rust remover. What you'll need is you'll need baking soda and some lemon juice, and you can either use a real lemon or some lemon juice like this. If you don't happen to have any lemon juice around, then you can also use vinegar. What I'm going to do is we're going to take the baking soda and we're going to put it in a little dish like this, and then we want to add the lemon juice to it so that it, you can see I've already added it, so it makes a paste. And then once we do that, then we can take something that is rusted, such as an old tool, and you can either use a brush or just anything to spread it on there. And what you want to do is you want to get it on your surface, and you want to let it set, and you want to let that work for a few minutes on your surface. And then you can simply just take a paper towel and wipe it off, and you'll find that that'll be a very effective way to remove rust from just about any surface. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to make a natural rust remover just with some products you have around the house.